So for the anti-drugs, anti-illegal drugs operation is when we compare it sa last year, actually mas marami ngayon. Kasi nung last year, from January to April, we have a total of 36 na operations. And for this year, we have 43. So pag sinabi nating operation, yun yung mga bypass, yung mga arrest of wanted person na involve ang drugs. Tapos yung other law enforcement operation and yung mga search warrant. So, a total din ng 43 na individuals ang arrested last year. Mas marami ngayon kasi meron tayong 53 na arrested. So, mas mataas yung operation kasi syempre, puspusan, strengthened, extensive yung aming operation. We are not stopping, we're not putting our guards down. So long as meron tayong mga nare-receive na report is we will be conducting operations. We coordinate with the PDEA and yun nga kasali din kasi kami magbibigay ng report if that barangay is drug free, drug cleared or drug affected. So continuous yung aming monitoring and may mga parameters kasi para masabi kung drug free, drug cleared, or drug affected yung isang barangay. So, pag sinabi nating drug cleared, walang illegal drug activities that is happening in that place. Never. Wala silang report ng mga drug users, pushers, mga laboratories, mga plantation, or any other related sa drugs sa isang barangay. So, drug-free sila. So, pag drug cleared, they are affected pero may mga interventions na nagawa para sila ay ma-clear from illegal drug activities. So sa drug affected naman, it's either may pusher, may user, or may mga illegal drug activities doon. Pag nahuli natin sila, especially yung mga person who use drugs, there are community-based programs for them. So actually nung yesterday is merong 4 na person who use drugs who graduated from the program and hopefully hindi na sila babalik sa mga illegal activities nila. So whenever there are people who reported, yung mga reporters o reporting natin is we assure them na hindi namin idadivulge yung kanilang identities. That will always be a confidential kasi nga syempre, that is for their own safety. So sa Baguio City Police Office, we continue our programs, our intervention. So ang pinaka-importante dyan is we encourage the public to report na kung meron man silang mga alam na mga illegal drug activities is just report to us para sa ganun we will have an intervention or an operation para sa ganun matigil yan.
Yan, sa mga nangyayaring mga issue against the police officers, masasabi naman natin na hindi naman lahat, majority naman ng mga kapulisan ay gumagawa ng tama. So, patuloy po na gagawin namin ang aming trabaho. And ano man yung mga issue na lumalabas against sa PNP is, yun nga, hindi naman, bibihira lang naman. And majority pa rin ng mga kapulisan ay gumagawa ng tama.